Hello, my name is Shahadot Hussain. Today I will discuss with you a digital chatbot. It's very amazing at this present. It's used like ticket booking, hotel booking, customer service, etc. Today I'll show you how chatbot works. Okay, so let's go start. Hello.
Hi there.
Nice.
My name is Bot. I am created by Verdo.
Okay, good. Mm,
I am doing great.
so it's really amazing. If you want to make this chatbot, please comment me. I will show you how I create it. It has a special things like check command. If you click it, command window will be appear. Here are some command I include. So it responds by this command. Okay, if you want to added any command, just click add command and write your question like like what is he. Okay, then just given this answer, he boy, and then click add button. Here it is. What is he? This question is stored in the command window and the answer will be stored the database. And if you want to delete any command, just click delete button. Okay, so just so if you want to make this chatbot, please comment me. I will show you how I create this chatbot.